Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows Server 2019 using Rufus. This is a simple and fast method, and you only need the Server 2019 ISO file and USB flash drive. Let's get started. First, go to Chrome, type Windows Server 2019 ISO file. Just click this link. So I downloaded this file. Just type here Rufus. There are different links here, but just click on this one. Make sure your USB drive is plugged in to your laptop or PC and your USB drive is 8 GB or higher. Click on Select and locate your Windows Server 2019 ISO. Here, you can also rename your USB flash drive. So I'll just fast forward this video. So these are the files for Windows Server 2019. I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.